how to deal with toxic friends, how to deal with a friendship breakup, how to deal with friends who are in competition with you, who are this and that. Guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Nihika if you are new here, and today I will be talking about how to deal with friendship breakups. I asked on my stories what topic interests you the most, or what do you want to hear about from me in a sit down video, and it was the most popular answer was how to deal with toxic friends, how to deal with a friendship breakup, how to deal with the friends who are in competition with you, who are this and that. I'm going to tell you, and I'm going to keep it very direct, short and sweet. I'm going to give you my 2 cents because there is no definite answer. Sabka situation different hoti hai. So I'm going to give you what I think, how I have dealt with them, and now what I feel like कि मैं क्या सही कर सकती थी, क्या गलत कर सकती थी, and how much of it is also worth taking mental load over. So number 1, whatever the situation is, you feel your friendship is not the same anymore, the other person is acting up, या फिर किसी ने कुछ बहुत ही गलत किया and you just don't want to stay friends anymore, but for some reason you are like, maybe they're a good person, or maybe it can go back to normal. Let me just tell you. Number 1, let's not gaslight ourselves. Like, let's see the situation for what it is now. Let's see the person or the friend for who they are now and not what they were or not what they've done. ठीक है? That is also something कि the situation matters. It matters वो कितने पुराने दोस्त हैं, उन्होंने आपके लिए क्या क्या किया है. All of that matters. But कुछ चीजें जैसे जहाँ पे आपको लगता है कि आपकी डिसरिस्पेक्ट हुई है, या फिर कुछ नो-नोज होते हैं ना कि ये हो गया तो अब मेरे से और नहीं होएगा, या फिर यू आर नॉट एबल टू मूव ऑन फ्रॉम अ स्पेसिफिक टाइप ऑफ हर्ट. सी द सिचुएशन फॉर व्हाट इट इज. सी कि नंबर 1, इज द अदर पर्सन गिल्टी अबाउट इट? डज द अदर पर्सन वांट टू चेंज? आर दे टेकिंग अकाउंटेबिलिटी? एंड आर दे रेडी टू सॉर्ट आउट थिंग्स विद यू? इज इट जस्ट यू पुटिंग इन द एफर्ट, और आर दे ऑल्सो इन दिस? इफ द आंसर टू ऑल ऑफ दिस इज yes, then definitely try and mend the friendship, because friendship is so important. Like, you need friends, you need your support systems, and if they are someone like that, I would say you need to try and mend it. But if the answer to all these 5 questions is no, I feel like it is not worth it. You will, मतलब मेरे साथ ऐसा बहुत situations में हुआ है. कुछ situations में तो ऐसे हुआ है कि why was I so blind? Like, हंसी मजाक में you overlook some things or like some red flags just because they're a friend. Like, वो आपके लिए इतना कुछ कर रहे हैं, they make you laugh, you have a good time together. But कुछ चीजें में जैसे कुछ iffy topics जो होते हैं about rights, और थोड़ा जो बीच में निकलता है, you sometimes tend to overlook on some things because they're your friends. But when that comes out and it's right there in front of your face, take it and accept it and cut off and like move on if it's possible. Don't ruin your mental health. See the person for who they are now and choose to walk away no matter how hard or difficult it is, because at the end of the day हमें अपना पीस मेंटेन करके रखना है, किसी और का नहीं. या फिर एक फ्रेंडशिप मेंटेन करने के लिए अपना पूरा टाइम वेस्ट कर देना, अपने थॉट्स आपको वही नेगेटिव आएंगे, तो आपकी लाइफ में सिर्फ फ्रेंडशिप में ही नहीं, हर जगह पे नेगेटिविटी आ जाएगी. सेकेंड, ट्राई टू एक्सेप्ट इट, बिकॉज किसी भी चीज को जितना फोर्स किया जाए इट विल ब्रेक अंडर प्रेशर. ठीक है? डोंट फोर्स इट. थिंग्स, फ्रेंडशिप जब होती भी, आई थिंक द बेस्ट वंस आर व्हेन तुम कुछ एफर्ट नहीं डालते and it happens organically, and when it breaks also you cannot be like putting pressure on it, because especially pressure from one side will not do shit. It will worsen the situation, because सामने से अगर आपको एफर्ट नहीं दिख रहा है, ताली 2 हाथों से बजती है, stuff like that. So accept it. बहुत बुरा लगेगा. You will want to still like compromise, be their friend, try to sort it out. I've done that. But जो सामने वाला इंसान होता है ना, वो अपने इंटेंशन दिखा ही देता है. So accept whatever वो दिखा रहे हैं. Third is my favorite point. First, be the friend that you want to have in your life. Like, friendship breakup हो गया, या फिर मतलब you lose a friend, but then don't be like a desperation वाला mindset. Don't give off that energy. हाँ, मेरे पास तो दोस्त ही नहीं है, मेरे पे तो यही नहीं है, वो नहीं है. Be the friend you want first. Be that person. What kind of a friend do you want in your life? What energy should they have? उनकी क्या traits है, वो कैसे बात करते हैं, हाउ कॉन्फिडेंट आर दे, हम वो बन जाए पहले, उसके बाद सिमिलर पीपल with similar values will be attracted to you. That is just how the universe works. And मेरे साथ ये हुआ है. Sometimes हम हमेशा मांगने से ज्यादा आप जब अंदर इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करके खुद पे आप खुद बेटर होते हो तो आपकी साथ बेटर चीजें होती है. एंड वन थॉट दैट रियली हेल्प्स मी इज कि when I am feeling negative or when I am cribbing about something, I remind myself कि ये जो टाइम मैं नेगेटिव होने में स्पेंड कर रही हूँ या फिर ये जो टाइम मैं रोने में स्पेंड कर रही हूँ, यही अगर मैं कुछ पॉजिटिव चीज में करूंगी तो शायद मेरे को थोड़ा 1-2 हफ्ते, 1 महीने, 2 महीने में कुछ अच्छा मिलेगा. एंड अगर मैं ऐसे स्पेंड करूंगी तो इससे अच्छा तो नहीं मिलेगा. फोर्थ, outgrowing people situations is okay. Like if the point of everything was for you to always be the same or for you to not change or evolve, like उसमें क्या सेंस है? What's the point of wanting to be better? And if you won't change or grow in life, and this is what happens when you grow or when you start doing better, pay attention to the people who धीरे धीरे who start like drifting apart and they just go quiet. Remove such people. ये नेगेटिव लोग हैं और ये आपको अपने साथ ही रखेंगे. एंड जो लोग ही सही में आपको you see them getting happy, you see them working on themselves as well, that is friendship. Because when things like competition, jealousy, insecurity थोड़ी होती है, but that is for you to deal within yourself. हो सकती है, but you need to at the end of the day make a choice to be a good person and to be a good friend. And it takes effort, definitely. Like this is not something that comes naturally. You need to work on it. Even if you feel like you are not a good friend, you can work on it as long as you don't pull your friend down with you, because that is not fair. And if you see that happening, you've outgrown them. Congratulations, this is a good thing. Don't feel bad कि oh friend छूट गया. So नया आ जाएगा, बेटर आ जाएगा. एंड जो आपके साथ सही में है, hold them tightly, like hold them close, because you know who are the real ones. Like you know आपको अपनी एनर्जी, अपना एफर्ट किसके लिए कहाँ लगाना है. आप 10-15 लोगों को मतलब आप हर जगह अपनी एनर्जी ऐसे बांटते रहोगे तो आपकी एनर्जी कम होएगी. नेक्स्ट, जस्ट रिस्पेक्ट योरसेल्फ प्लीज. You owe yourself that much, okay? That is literally the bare minimum, respecting yourself. And जिस भी सिचुएशन में आपको दिख रहा है कि आपकी रिस्पेक्ट नहीं की जा रही है, आपका if you are not being taken care of, be it mentally or in a situation, if you feel disregarded, you don't deserve that, point blank period. Like if you feel like a friend or someone in a situation that's happening galti se or like unknowingly, if attention is not being paid, definitely talk to them. But if it's a pattern, if it's happening repeatedly or if it's happening consciously by someone, please respect yourself. उठो वहां से और निकलो, अपनी एनर्जी कहीं बेटर काम में लगाते हैं, right? And last point, and this can only happen if you respect yourself, that is staying out of the drama. Once someone's not your friend, there will be lots of layers of maybe you wanting to talk to them wanting to talk to you, knowing कि ये गलत है, like you don't mesh now or like you've outgrown each other. This will happen. The people around you will say कि oh are you not friends with them or like this and that. लोग कुछ कह सकते हैं. Stay out of the drama. Don't do it. जितना अपने आप को रोक सकते हो to engage with things to do with that friend or that situation, don't engage with it. Like recently something happened, someone, पहले होता है ना, मतलब बोरियत में बैठे हैं, कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग ही हो जाएगा, बात करके देख चलता है, whatever. Like the biggest achievement for me is कि मैंने अपनी entertainment के लिए भी, when something came up, no reaction, nothing, clear message, you do not deserve my energy. No action is the best thing you can do for yourself, so try doing that. And then I would also like to say, end with this, कि every situation is unique, every situation is different, but if you sort out things just by one criteria of respecting yourself and maintaining your peace, I think things will be very, very clear for you, no matter how hard they are. And you got this, and at the end of the day you always have yourself, your loved ones like your parents, your siblings maybe. कभी कभी हम इन लोगों को ना भूल जाते हैं of in the गिनती of people you can count on or talk to or you're close to, but this is enough really, and उसके ऊपर whatever comes is a great thing, like a great addition. So okay, bye guys, love you. मेरा कैमरा कैब में छूट गया एंड मैं 2 लेवल लाइक मैं सिक्योरिटी चेक में अपना बैग खोल रही थी, तब मेरे को उस ड्राइवर का कॉल आया, मुझे खुद भी याद नहीं आया ये। एंड उसके बाद क्या भागा दौड़ी करी है मैंने। To quickly announce the giveaway winners, 3 winners. The first winner is a dose of Janvi, congratulations. The second winner is Sara_music 931, and the third winner is Midhya. This is the username. The wound is the place where light enters you. I thought about this quote for days, and every single quote is worth like obsessing over. In the entire comment section of the recent Mumbai vlog, you'll love it, and thank you so much for participating in the giveaway. I love you guys. कोई गुस्सा नहीं होएगा. Again 350k भी होने वाले हैं in like 20k subscribers, so that is going to be an even better giveaway. Stay tuned. And these winners, I have my email ID in the description box. Please email me your details, these ones on the screen, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.